Hello students, good evening. So we are continuing our lecture for coordination compounds, isomerism. Isomerism in coordination complex or coordination compound is interesting that their molecular formula is same, but chemical reactions and some physical properties are different. Which are these physical properties? Color, solubility, melting point. These properties are different. Okay, see, these isomers of these isomers are classified in this way: stereoisomer, structural isomers. Stereoisomers are further classified in geometrical and optical isomer. Structural isomers, they are further classified in linkage isomer. Let me take laser pointer. See, linkage isomers, coordination isomers, ionization isomers, and solvate isomers. So let us see this isomers in coordination compounds. First, geometrical isomers. In these geometrical isomers, these are important points. So these isomers must have non-superimposable mirror image isomers. Second, it is possible in heteroleptic complexes because in homoleptic complex it is not possible because of symmetry, because all ligands are similar or identical. Third point, it is possible in complexes which has coordination number 4 and 6. Okay, now let us see the first type of complex, M(A2)(B2) square bracket raised to n plus or minus, where inside this square bracket means the coordination sphere. This M is metal atom or metal ion. A and B, these are monodentate ligands, and N is the charge on coordination sphere. It may be positive or negative. So here example is platinum Cl2 NH3 twice. Here both chlorine and amine, these are monodentate ligands. So 2 chlorine and 2 amine. So if we try to draw their structures, so these are two structures. In this, the central metal platinum surrounded by its coordination number is 4, 2 chlorine, 2 amines. So coordination number is 4. So this platinum metal is surrounded by 2 chlorines and 2 amines. So as these 2 chlorines are on left side of the structure and both amines are on right side, so similar ligands, identical ligands are on same side, then it is cis structure, cis isomer. And here in this structure, it is trans. That is, similar or identical ligands are on opposite sides. Okay. So this is trans isomer and this is cis isomer. Second, Ma2BC. ABC, monodentate ligand, coordination number A2 times, B1 time and C1 time, 2 plus 1 plus 1. So coordination number is 4. So example, platinum amines 2 times, bromine and chlorine. These 3 ligands, heteroleptic complex, because all ligands are different. So here NH3 present on the same side or left side. Here both NH3 are on opposite sides. So this is cis structure and this is trans. Cis and trans. So this way these two isomers are possible. Their molecular formula is same, but structural arrangement in space is different. When both the ligands present on same side of the complex, then it is cis. If similar ligands are on opposite sides, then it is called trans isomer. So coordination number is 4 and it has square planar geometry. So in these both examples, these structures are square planar. When coordination number is 4, it has another geometry, that is tetrahedral geometry. But this tetrahedral geometry, these complexes are unstable, or they having either plane of symmetry, line of symmetry or point of symmetry. Hence for this it is not possible to draw their cis or trans isomers. Next, now cis and trans isomers in compounds with coordination number 6. When coordination number 6, then it has octahedral geometry. Now see this octahedral geometry here, where this red point of laser pointer is present, it is central metal atom or ion, and this is the plane. At 4 corners of this plane, it is a square. To these 4 corners, 4 different ligands, similar or different ligands are present, and one ligand is above the plane and another ligand is below the plane. So this geometry is octahedral geometry. Now let us see the cis and trans isomer in this type. See example, Ma4B2 type of complex. A and B, these are the ligands, heteroleptic complex, because A and B different types of ligand. A type ligand 4 times and B type ligands, B ligands 2 times. So 4 plus 2, 6. Coordination number is 6. So this type, the example is CONH34Cl2. Here in this square planar structure, 3 amine and 1 chlorine ligand is present and the central metal is cobalt. Above this plane, above this square planar Cl, 1 ligand, and below the plane 1 ammonia is present. So here this Cl and this Cl are on same side, so it is called cis isomer, or it is cis structure. It's cis structure. Its isomer, another isomer is all 4 amines are present at 4 corners of the square, and 1 Cl is above the plane and another Cl is below the plane. So it is trans isomer. Both chlorines are on opposite side, opposite planes, above and below the planes. So it is trans isomer. Next, B, type MAA2B2. So AA2, so it is symmetrical bidentate and B is unidentate ligand. Here it is bidentate, both donor atoms are same, and here it is monodentate. 2 to the 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. So coordination number is 6. Now here example is cobalt central metal bis ethylene diamine, bis ethylene diamine, 2 chlorine. Now the structure is as cobalt at the 4 corners of the plane, square planar structure, ethylene diamine, 2 donor atoms, 1 nitrogen and another nitrogen, donating electron pair. At this corner chlorine, and here ethylene diamine, second ethylene diamine, which has 1 nitrogen donating electron and second nitrogen donating electron from below side, and 1 chlorine is above the plane. So it is cis isomer. It is cis isomer. Both chlorines are on the same side. But here, if we see this ethylene diamine and this ethylene diamine, both are on opposite side of this axis. So this is trans isomer. This is trans isomer. Now second type, optical isomer. The complex molecules ions are non-superimposable mirror images of each other. Their properties are identical but opposite rotation of the plane polarized light because of chirality present in them. Because of chirality present in them. About this chirality, this non-superimposable, these terms already we have studied in halogen derivatives of alkanes and arenes. So the isomer which having same molecular formula, same structural formula also, but the behavior of both structures is different in front of plane polarized light. One rotate the plane polarized light in clockwise direction, another rotate the plane polarized light in anti-clockwise direction. So one is dextroform and another is levoform. Now about this optical isomers. So optical isomers in octahedral complexes. Here the type is MAA3. Both donor atoms are identical and 3 times polydentate ligand. So it is tris. 3 times it is present, so it is tris. Example is Cr oxalate C2O4 3. Here in this oxalate, each oxalate has 2 donor oxygen. So 3 to the 6. So coordination number is 6. So the structure is in this way. Central metal ion Cr at 4 corners, 4 oxygens are there, donating electron pair to Cr. So this is oxalate ion C2O4. Here C double bond oxalate ion means C double bond O, single bond C double bond O, one carbon bonded to this oxygen and second carbon bonded to this oxygen. So these oxygens, they are donating electron pair. In this way, these 3 oxalate ligands donating total electron pairs through 6 oxygen atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now in front of this structure, if we keep a mirror, its image can be seen as this. Image can be looked as this way. So here both oxalate ions are on right side. In this image, both oxalate ligands are on left side. So this is dextroform and this is levoform. If this is object and if it is its mirror image, then this object and mirror, they having non-superimposable relationship. That is, if we take this object and put on this mirror image, then the oxalate ligands will not get coincide. It is said that they are non-superimposable. They are non-superimposable with each other. Another example is cobalt tris ethylene diamine plus minus 3 charge. Ethylene diamine. This ethylene diamine having 2 nitrogens, donor atoms of lone pair of electron. So 2 3s are 6. Coordination number is 6. Same way, this type of dextro and levo forms for this complex we will get. Here for coordination number 4, this tetrahedral complexes are unstable. Square planar complexes, they possess plane of symmetry or line of symmetry, hence generally not chiral in nature. They are not chiral in nature. Therefore, coordination number 4 complexes, that is tetrahedral and square planar complexes, does not show optical isomers. Now, octahedral complexes existing as both geometrical and optical isomers. Example, PT, Cl2, ethylene diamine, bis, ethylene diamine. So 2 to the 4. Ethylene diamine has 2 donor atoms, 2 nitrogens. So 2 to the 4, 4 donor, and this 2, 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. So it has structure in this way. Platinum central metal, this one ethylene diamine, this is second ethylene diamine, one chlorine and second chlorine. This is cis form. It is cis form because these both chlorines are on same side. If we take its mirror image, these two chlorines are on this side, one ethylene diamine, and this is second ethylene diamine. It is cis form because here also chlorines are on same side. Chlorines are on same side. But these both are object and its mirror image. Object and mirror image. So this is cis form. And for this, transform can be drawn as. So both ethylene diamines are on opposite sides and both chlorine, one chlorine is above the plane and another chlorine is below the plane. So this is transform. So this cis form having both object and mirror image. But for this transform, if we try to draw here, put here mirror, then its image having same structure. Object and mirror image both are same structures, having same structure. They are superimposable with each other. They are superimposable. But in this case, if we put this structure and keep on it, on its mirror image, then these two chlorines, one chlorine will not get coincide here. Okay, so they will not get coincide. So it is non-superimposable. And this chlorine and here one nitrogen, so they will not coincide with each other. Means they are non-superimposable relationship. But for this transform, its mirror image and object both are superimposable because of line of symmetry. To this axis Cl-PtCl, both ethylene diamines are having symmetry. So why they are superimposable and it is not possible to form its mirror image. But this example has geometrical as well as optical isomers. Okay. Now second type, structural isomers. What is structural isomers? The compounds having same chemical formula but different linkage among their constituent atoms. They are called structural isomers. These structural isomers of four types. There are of four types. First is ionization isomerism. So in this type, there is an exchange of ions inside and outside coordination sphere. Their formula is same, but they produce different ions in solution. Formula is same, but when they dissociate, dissolved into water, they produce different ions. Their formula is same, but they produce different ions in the solution. See this example. This complex CONH3 SO4 and Br. Second example, CONH3 Br and SO4. Here counter ion is Br, bromine, and here counter ion is sulfate. So inside outside ions are different. So when this first compound dissolved into water, it gives Br minus ion, and second it gives sulfate ions. So the charge on coordination entity, coordination sphere is +1 and here +2. So as this presence of inside outside ions in the coordination sphere is different, their properties are different. This first has violet color and second has red color. Violet and red color. Second, linkage isomerism. Second, linkage isomerism. In this isomerism, same ligand is bonded to central metal atoms or ions through different atoms. Ligand is same, but through different atoms, that ligand is bonded to central metal atom. Means here, this isomerism tells us about the ambidentate ligand. See this example. Their molecular formula is same, but linkage of ligand to central metal atom is through different atoms. For example, NO2 can bonded to central metal through nitrogen or through oxygen. Ligand is same, NO2, this is also NO2, but here donor atom is nitrogen and here donor atom is oxygen. So see this example, CONH3 NO2 outside Cl2. This is counter ion. CONH3 ONO. coordination, this counter ion is Cl2. Okay, so this is nitro, means here nitrogen is donating electron pair to this cobalt, and in this example oxygen is donor of electron to cobalt. So as it is ambidentate ligand, donor atoms are different. So it is yellow in color and it is red in color. Their molecular formula is same, but because of this linkage through different donor atoms, central metal linked to the donor through different atom, so it is yellow in color and it is red in color. Okay, next, coordination isomerism. Different complexes with the same molecular formula, there is interchange of ligands and coordination entities. See the example, CONH36 and CrCN6. Central metal cobalt, here chromium, here 6 amine ligands and here 6 cyanide ligands. Cobalt with 6 cyanide and chromium with 6 NH3, 6 amines. So interchange of ligand and coordination entities. So it gives rise to form coordination isomerism. Next is hydrate isomerism or solvate isomerism. In this isomerism, there is exchange of H2O molecules inside and outside the coordination sphere. Exchange of water molecule inside and outside the coordination sphere, inside and outside the square bracket. These isomers have same molecular formula but different numbers of water molecule inside and outside the coordination sphere, means square bracket. Coordination sphere means square bracket here. So example is CrCl3 6H2. It exists in 3 hydrate or solvate isomers. See first CrH2O6 square bracket outside 3 chlorines. It has violet color. So inside water molecules, water ligands are 6. Outside no water present as ligand. No water. Second case, CrH2O5 Cl2 H2O. It has blue green color. See inside 5 water molecules and outside 1 water molecule. Inside 5 water molecules and outside 1 water molecule. The coordination number is same, 5 plus 1. 5 water and 1 chlorine. Coordination number is not changing, it is 6. Third example, CrH2O4 and Cl2. Outside 1 chlorine and 2 water molecules. The water molecules are constant, 4 and 2, 6. 5 and 1, 6 in this example. Okay, but inside and outside the water molecules are interchange or exchange. So the properties of this coordination compounds are different. Their colors, that is physical properties, colors are different. This is violet in color, blue in color, this is green in color. Inside 4 water molecules, outside 2 water molecules. Okay, so here let us stop.